This is the second variation of mango pudding. We need to prepare the caramel first. Take a vessel and add little water along with sugar and boil. Rotate the vessel. This allows the sugar to spread evenly. Boil it till it turns brown. That's the caramel. Rotate once again to spread it evenly. Then keep that aside to cool. Add 3 eggs to the mixer and 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of milk. Adding bread is optional. This will give more fluff to the pudding. If you want to avoid bread, then add more eggs. Then add elaichi to it. This will give a balanced taste. Pour rest of the milk and grind. This is the key ingredient, the mango. Take 2 mangoes, slice them, add to the mixer and grind. Once that's done, pour the mixture into the caramel vessel and cover it with a foil paper. Keep it for boiling in a bigger utensil filled with little water at the bottom, or easy way around, put it in the oven for 20 minutes. This is how it will look like. Once it cools, put it into the fridge for an hour. And here is your delicious mango pudding ready to eat.